So today's objective and plan and whatever else we want to call it, hey guys, welcome back, is to make this burn barrel usable again. I had this running, tried to get it running around the end of New Year's, and ended up going through 2 turbos. This is the one off the Pintara, so we thought we'll try it, even though it didn't really like being on the Pintara in the end. And I had a different one on it before that I think was just on the shelf. Both of them wouldn't get on spool. They just didn't do it. Got it hot enough, but it wouldn't get on song. So that sucked. So I never released the video because there was a lot of hype and it went nowhere. I think it's out of its efficiency. Like, it's glowing red hot, as you can see by that. The boys pulled this one out. This is the one off. Oh, it's got a lot of movement. That's not gonna go. Yeah. Right, we're mid turbo swap. This turbo's in mint. Yeah. How can I show this?
This is the worst turbo swap I've ever seen.
What is this movement here? It's trying, but it won't go. I reckon that's it. Dad, get off it. To just stop. Yep. So after that letdown, I have another turbo to try, but it's going to take a little bit of new modifying and customizing and whatever else, because it's a lot bigger than that. And hopefully it can get up and going on this barrel. Here's the exhaust pipe for it. Look at that. I think a 4.5 inch or something.
Oh, it nearly did me back.
I don't know how this is going to go on the burn barrel. It's bigger than I remember.
So big.
The outlet's weird size. Outlet's like 3.5 inch. I think that's 5 inch.
6, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 6 inch inlet. What's this like?
4 and a bit.
It is a 4 inch outlet. That's the size of turbo inlet. Oh no. Matt's new turbo here. That's 4 inch inlet. 2 inch or probably 2.5 inch outlet on the Pulsar turbo. Quick name drop. Pulsar. Guilty. 4 inch outlet. How ridiculous. She's seen a bit of work, the big girl. But she still spins well. Is the burn barrel gonna get that thing going? That's what we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if the heat of the barrel will spin this monstrous turbo. I don't know what size it is. It's like off a dozer or a something truck. Someone knows, let me know what you think it is. So that's a comparison of stock Ford, which is still a reasonable size turbo and good size rear, to stock dozer. The thing would eat it on the internet. Oh, it's hard to show the size of this. Right, got it all undone. And this turbo is none good. Here's a flange that's for Lawson's burned himself. He's making the intercooler piping for his portal patrol. You'll get that. I should say this actually. If we get 20,000 views on the previous video I uploaded to this, I think I uploaded it Tuesday, he's gonna seriously think about putting portals on that patrol and really just test it out. So that was a side note. I'll put the link on the video here up in the corner, or I'll put it in the description below. Just needs views. It'll be a short 2-minute video. Here is the flange to go on there. I'm really restricting that flow. Oh no, I can see an issue here. I could make that fit and just weld on some tags. That's not that big a deal. Weld it below and just put longer bolt on it. That'd work. But see the hole difference?
Oh.
So do you reckon we wing it, or I'll put a plate on this and just cut another one in here?
Why don't we just get the 9 inch out and cut that plane off the top?
Because this cat turbo probably won't be the last turbo that we get on it.
Would be handy to have a spare spot, wouldn't it?
Imagine if we put 2 turbos on it, really blow this thing up. Nah, I'm not suggesting that, we're not doing that. I don't really want to adapt it with that because the hole's that big. So I don't want to restrict it with a small little hole. Because I do wonder if this thing will get on boost or not, but we'll give it the best opportunity we can. So we've got a bit of 4 inch pipe. You know it's big when it's a 4 inch inlet. So here is the made fitting. Oh, it stays on there. Grab this one. Into here. Look at this. Pretty well level too, so I'll weld that up. Always enjoy cutting holes with grinders. That's a hammer. Oh, lovely. And we're getting a bit serious. She's leveled. Close enough. Lovely darts. Weld her off. So this is what we've got to for the day. Bolted down, solid. I don't reckon it needs a mount at all. Like, it's in on 4-inch pipe. It's happy, it's solid. So that's looking the goods. Hopefully this thing gets on boost and it's gonna be sick. If you want to see how it's made, I'll put the link in the video. It'll be up there on the corner. And if you want to see this, hit subscribe, like it, share it. It's pretty funny, should be a good time. And all going well, I'll let this one go with no restriction, and it'll make boost, this thing. Got me safeties on, because dealing with big machinery, aiming for that. This was existing. Yes, I'm gonna keep it that big because it'll be fine. It's a bit bigger at this end. That one sits up there. And it does work. I've got a mark there to cut. This one goes here. Yes, it's just exhaust pipe because that's all it needs. Meanwhile, Matt's back and he's working on his patrol with help of fabricator. With lobster back, rear end, la-di-da. Next for that car will be a clutch because she's cooked. And it's ready to go. Need to do another trip. We have this stunning piece added in. So yeah, it's pretty, but gets the job done. Tacked it off, even cleaned the bits I'm gonna weld. Charge pipe welded, new welder, is working a treat. And yeah, it's ugly, but it works. And if you recall on the old setup, it had a silicone hose at this end and it would burst off. Whereas now she's fully welded, she's one piece with 2 bolts in it. Now I'm working on some blanks for the oil feed and return underneath. So I think I'm just gonna drill a hole, weld that to it. This turbo runs some odd size bolts. So I need to get bolts for that now as well. There's my little plate I just made for oil feed. Easy as that. I'll make the bottom one, make a cover for that, and we'll be pretty well right to try it out. So, should be a good day. Hopefully that's the next video, all going well. If it's not, well, I come into trouble, or it might just be a film of trying to get it going and I struggle to get it going. I don't know yet. So, it is big turbo and I look forward to seeing it. If you want to see it, make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.